Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now, if you're new, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, in a bold move, the Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clarke, has tabled the first $1 trillion budget. The estimated expenditure for the financial year of 2023 to 2024 is $1,021,672,645,000. Now with the state taking control of SSL, some are wondering, will Usian Bolt get paid along with all the other clients? What their funds taken, as some believe, one of the things that would bring back some confidence to the financial system is for people to know that individuals who have had their money taken got their money back, and the individuals who committed these crimes were brought to justice. Now, of course, the finance minister did not mention anything about SSL. He said the total recurrent or day-to-day expenses budget is just under 947 billion, while the money allocated for capital projects totals just over 75.37 billion. Now, strangely enough, the historic $1 trillion budget is 39 billion more than the 982 billion budget for the financial year of 2022 to 2023. But when economists factored in the annual inflation of 9.4%, inflation go up in a Jamaican island 9.4%. This means that this year's budget is in reality 5.4% less than the previous budget. What them really say? This is a historic $1 trillion budget, but because of inflation, the budget is in reality 5.4% less than the previous budget. So if in reality, in 2022 to 2023, they must have never have enough money to deal with the police them, the teacher them, and everybody. And this budget is in reality 5.4% less. Even though they must say a trillion, because of the way the country is moving, the way the leaders of the country are putting in certain laws where not really help GDP, not really help small businesses to become bigger businesses so that the economy can be boosted more. Because of things that we see take place at financial institutions like SSL and other financial institutions, you name the place them. People don't really have a certain confidence in the economy. That means the country will need to start have higher GDP. There are some who are now in the opinion that maybe the leaders of the ruling party do not know what is best for the island and are unaware of ways to grow the economy. There's heavy reliance on tourism. Tourism are one sector. The burden of growing and boosting the economy can't be placed on just tourism. Now when we have agriculture, not when we have resources, even in entertainment, people still overlook entertainment as a resource on the island. May I tell you this? You have a genre of music in South Korea called K-pop, where are basically pop music, like, you know what I mean, a little bit of rap, a little bit of pop music, a little bit of singing, and just basically, you know what I mean, music from North America and Europe, not just blended in a film look way. K-pop is sponsored by the state. The government is funding that entertainment sector. You know how much billions it generates worldwide? People don't like to talk about this, but even the people in hip-hop have now considered this a part of their history. The hip hop industry we see right now was started by individuals who are from Jamaica. Dancehall music had a heavy hand in hip hop. Hip hop is a multi-billion-dollar industry. You know much trillions that is in Jamaican dollars. But the state, for some reason, even though we have a minister for entertainment, now invest in the necessary industries so that we now have to say, yo, tourism, we can start to say, yo, we have a thriving economy, everything will go good. Them can't never talk about tourism like people fly all the way from where them there to visit these hotels. Yes, them come to stay in a certain popular hotels. But because of what? Because it depends on the Jamaican island. I would love to talk about the beaches that we have. All Caribbean countries where you know about have a nice beach. At least 5 nice beaches. And now we alone big in a tourism. But what help we stand out in our tourism is the people, the cuisine, the culture, and the entertainment scene. Dancehall is still the biggest genre of music in the Caribbean. The entire Caribbean. There's no Caribbean island they can go up on right now and not hear reggae and dancehall. All of our Jamaican music celebrities are celebrities in almost every other Caribbean country. I mean, that's all Caribbean country. So, we still feel like there are industries where the government need to pay more attention to. And that I mean them need to come in and intervene and tell the people them how. Because them clearly don't know how. But them can have reasons with the stakeholders in these industries and ask, how can the government make it better for you? So they can generate more income and more GDP, more taxes, everything. Because remember, it has already been outlined the amount of different industries where entertainment, even when we just have, or we just look at things we happen in the night. Meaning say, parties will keep a night. And the different industries where them they help transport to get these people to and from these venues. Police officers who get paid to do special duties to be at the gate at these venues. Entrepreneurs, where they're at the gate, we are selling them different type of things. Even the entertainers, who have different people in the entourage where them appear. The promoters, who have different people in the venue where them appear. It helps to generate GDP in the night, which for the economy, if you notice, after a certain hours, like let's say 10, 11, a certain amount of GDP stop make on the island. While in these first world countries that we talk about, they have a thriving night scene. Them have them nightclubs, them have different things. Them have them fast food restaurants that open 24/7. And this is a year say. In overseas, we can get up any hours and go anywhere. I repeat this, when you're overseas, they can get up almost any hours. And there are a list of places where still open. If you had to go, the government need to pay more attention to how them can help entrepreneurs and help the citizens grow the economy. Because the government alone can't do it. Because clearly, increasing the budget is clearly not a solution. Historic $1 trillion budget, but still less than the previous year's budget because of inflation. The economy still needs to do better. Talk to me in the comment section if you're new to the channel. Of course, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and then put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. So check out the channel, check out the reason, and of course join the discussion. The comment section of 24/7 is never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Now, quick recap. The finance minister has tabled a $1 trillion budget. People still wonder when will Usian Bolt get paid as SSL paid up. Still wait for you from the Bolt officer. And to the reason again, as stated, my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love and prosper And for now, of course, stay tuned.